So when we're inspecting LDPE film, some of the things people ask me about is, what are you looking for? So if we take this bale here, for example, what I can see from the outside is a lot of labels on a lot of the film. And if we're seeing it on the outside, it's definitely going to be in the middle. So we're looking at the size of the pieces and the size of the label that's on them. And can the label come off easily? Because in most cases, the label would need to be cut off before this material can be processed. The other thing is I can get some information off the label, and what I know is in this particular material is this is coming from a pet food factory. So I'm looking for contamination with food products or food ingredients. Is there a smell to the film? But when we're talking about, we knew that some of this material is coming from food production, this is the type of thing that is not good to be going into LDPE film, especially when we're processing it here locally. Food is a big no-no, so this is what we're looking for as well.